Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's have a conversation between two friends. Hi, what's your name? Hey, my name is Robert. And you? Oh, I'm Rose. Where are you from? I am from Italy. I am from Italy. Italy, what a nice country. I really want to go there someday. Yes, sure. What do you do here? I work as a banker. Can we go grab something to eat? Yeah, sure. I'm starving. I know a very famous place here. What are we waiting for then? What do you like to eat? What are they famous for? Their burgers are amazing. Let's order burger then. Would you like some beverage? I'll go with matcha. What is matcha? Well, it's Japanese green tea. Oh, I have never heard about it before. Well, now you know. I would like to know more about you. Yes, you can ask anything. How many people are in your family? It's just me and my brother along with mom, dad. And you are elder one? No, I'm the younger one. Where do you live? I live in Milan City. Really? I know Milan is very famous for its fashion and design. Yes, I'm actually studying fashion designing. I assume. How so? How so? Because you are quite fashionable. Oh, thanks. I would really appreciate that.